Cheater!
Welcome back to another edition of
Guess That Sound!
Today we are going to reveal the sounds and give a shout out to the winner.
Alright, first sound, the answer is motorcycle. That's right, you guessed it.
Sound number 2 is a dryer.
What is the third answer?
Windshield
Third answer is windshield wipers. Windshield wipers. That's right, you guessed it. I knew you had it.
So good job, everybody.
Alright, but we have a problem. Nobody got all three. Alright, so we're going to have to do better this week, guys. Let's do it. Let's go. And the closest contestant that got the answer was... I gotta keep my
Do you want me to say that part?
There you go. Alright. And the contestant got the closest answer was... Wiggles 4417. Congratulations, Wiggles. Yay! Wiggles' guess was motorcycle for number 1. Correct. Dishwasher for number 2. Wrong. And wipers for number 3. So close, so close, so close. Everybody else got 1 or 2. So close. Next time. Next time. This just in, ladies and gentlemen. We have the second game ready. Are you ready?
Well, everybody, it's that time again for you all to
Guess that sound. Let's get to it. And what is it?
What is what?
Mysterious sound number 101.
Mysterious sound number 2.
And mysterious sound number trace. 3. Tree. 3.
Trace.
Trace. 3.
Uno, dos, tres.
Trace. And number 3. Which is the final.
So good luck, everyone.
Good luck, everyone. Remember to hit that bell icon so you get the notifications for...
Guess that sound.
Guess that sound. Does it guess that sound? Guess that sound. Thank you for playing Game of Sounds. Game of Sounds. Remember to write your answers in the comment section below and hit that bell icon so that we can... Ding, ding, ding. Good. So you'll be notified when the results are in.
You didn't like my ding, ding, ding?
I did like your ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Hit the bell icon.
Ding, ding, ding.
So you'll be notified when the results are in.
Yes, and when our next video comes out too.
So good luck, everybody.
See you next time.
We'll reveal the answers in the next edition of Guess That Sound.